Hello everyone, my name is Nancy and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm taking you on a journey back to my childhood to show you how the African local broom is made. Growing up, it was a tradition that after every school vacation, kids were asked to bring brooms when school reopened. It became a part of our lives, heading to the farm or bushes to collect palm branches or coconut branches. Those days, we never cared about whether there were snakes in the bushes or on the farms. We just entered any farm, any tree, any coconut tree we find, any palm branch we find. We just cut them and then home we go to make our brooms. We could search for all the palm branches, and most of the time the branches that were very soft were the ones that we wanted. Not the very soft, but the ones that were not very hard were the ones that we wanted. So we could go to anybody's farm and then grab any of the palm branches or the coconut branches, and then we cut them and then we take them home to make the brooms. So when we get home, this is the process. The process of making these brooms starts with harvesting the branches. So you harvest the branches from the tree, the palm tree or any coconut tree. So the palm tree or the coconut trees are the main sources. The branches are stripped, dried, and carefully tied together to create the perfect sweeping tool. And so this is the process. You see that in the video. This humble broom holds so many memories, from chores at home to the bond it created among children during the process. We could sit to chat, to talk the whole day in the broom making process, and we shared so many memories. We shared so many good times together as we did it. We normally use sharp objects, sharp like a sharp knife, cutlasses, or blade in stripping it to get the broom very smooth. So stay tuned as we explore the act of making the African local broom, an enduring symbol of tradition and utility. Watch the video to the end and see the process. Mary, you so this how you do it. First you cut the. I'll show you.
How do you scrape the this one? Like you scratch it on the leaf like this.
So you first cut here
And that's the time.
to the end. Then you use the knife. Put the knife on the edge. Hold here. And then you scrape it.
Okay.
Put the knife on the green thing.
Like here.
Then you scrape it to the down. Then you come to the back. Scrape. You show it to the green side.
Yeah, I know how to cut it, but the scraping there. I wanted to see how.
Don't put the cup down. Any Melvin Hall, Crunchia, Crunchia, Mammy, I'm regular, so you have to go.
Anna, let's go. Cruncha, cruncha.
Wait, who is the one playing the music?
Ah, let's listen to music.
Now then, I'll come to repeat.